Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to view a few apartments and I thought I will take you guys along with me. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, on the apartment hunting wish list, my budget is 6,000 rands and that is excluding any other extras. And I'm looking for a studio apartment because I live alone and I don't need a bigger place. I'm also looking for a backup power because I work from home and I need to have that, as well as uncapped Wi-Fi or free Wi-Fi. And then the reason I'm moving is because of work, so it had to be close to the Gautrain and I use the shuttle to work, so that would make my life so much easier. And I wanted to be closer to shops or malls, as well as the gym, because your girl is trying to be a gym bunny again. And lastly, because I'm a content creator, guys, good lighting is so important to me. So yeah, let's see what we got. Let's see what Joburg North has to offer us.
I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. I want you, baby, to myself. You know we get together, oh, we pass it out. I think I want forever. Maybe we find some luck. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I'll have you. Freak a bit of goddamn section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches. They come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah. I think this is love. Love. Yeah. You know we get together. Oh, we pass it out. I think I will forever. Maybe we find some luck. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
So this is our compact studio. It's 19 square meters and available for 5 So, okay.
Deuce high, take me on the moon ride. Maybe when the moon's right, we can just see what's in this side. Who you gonna be like? Wish that I could rewind just so I can see what's clear. Past tense, but you wanna still, you know you past ten. Claiming that you good, but okay. I'll play. Party and poppin', won't stop it, that be your escape. If there's some high, there's some low. What's around, we don't know. If you're here, I'll let you know. Will you catch me before you go? Go, 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 go. Wherever you go. Go, go, go,
So this is the bitch.
hard to control by the licks inside. That's the thing that I hit, swimming in and throw it all up as I lay. Even while I turn on my location, come fast.